Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Biosilk Color Therapy is probably one of the most sought-after shampoos for those looking to maintain vibrant, long-lasting hair color while simultaneously nourishing and protecting their strands from damage, making it a standout choice for anyone who invests in coloring their hair and wants to keep it looking its absolute best. Number 5. Luseta Deep Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Is your hair feeling dry and damaged? Our Deep Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner Set is here to help. It's designed to bring moisture back to your locks. Experience the power of hyaluronic acid, a key ingredient known for its incredible hydrating properties. It works to plump and moisturize every strand. We've enriched this set with shea butter and avocado oil. These natural ingredients deeply nourish your hair, leaving it feeling soft and manageable. You can trust our formula. It's sulfate-free and paraben-free, making it gentle enough for all hair types, especially those prone to dryness. This set works to restore your hair's natural vitality. It helps to combat dryness and damage, revealing healthier-looking hair with every wash. With 2 large 16.9-ounce bottles, you'll have plenty of this revitalizing treatment. Enjoy long-lasting hydration and care for your beautiful hair. What we like. This set is designed for extreme dryness and damage. If your hair feels brittle and needs intense moisture, this is your go-to. It's perfect for those who frequently use heat styling or chemical treatments. What people say. It is a good shampoo for color-treated hair. It leaves my hair feeling soft and moisturized. It has a pleasant scent and lathers well. Number 4. Biosilk 3-Piece Silk Therapy Kit. Introducing the Biosilk 3-Piece Silk Therapy Kit. This set is designed to give you healthy, shiny, and manageable hair with every wash. Experience the transformative power of silk. Our unique formula works to nourish and revitalize your strands from root to tip. You can trust its gentle formulation. It's sulfate-free, paraben-free, and cruelty-free, making it kind to your hair and the planet. This comprehensive 12-ounce hair care set includes everything you need. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. Say goodbye to dull, unmanageable hair. Embrace a new level of shine, softness, and overall hair health with this essential kit. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit for overall hair health. If you're looking for a simple, all-in-one solution for shiny and manageable hair, this set is ideal. It's great for anyone wanting to achieve that salon-smooth look at home. What people say. This shampoo is amazing. It leaves my hair feeling soft and looking shiny. I love how this shampoo helps to protect my color-treated hair from fading. The scent of this shampoo is wonderful. It's not too overpowering and lasts for a long time. Number 3. Biosilk Silk Therapy Shampoo. Experience a gentle cleanse that promotes healthy hair. This formula is designed to leave your locks feeling revitalized and looking their best. It's infused with the power of silk proteins and botanical extracts. These nourishing ingredients work together to condition and enhance your hair's natural beauty. Achieve visibly healthier and shinier hair with every wash. It helps to restore your hair's natural luster and vibrancy. You can feel good about what you're using. This shampoo is sulfate-free and paraben-free, ensuring a gentle yet effective cleansing experience. We believe in kindness to animals. This product is proudly cruelty-free, so you can care for your hair with a clear conscience. Enjoy this generous 34-ounce size for long-lasting hair care. It's the perfect addition to your daily routine for consistently beautiful results. What we like. This shampoo focuses on gentle cleansing while infusing hair with silk proteins. If you prioritize a mild yet effective cleanser that promotes healthy, shiny hair, consider this option. It's excellent for daily use and for those who appreciate a larger product size. What people say. Leaves hair feeling soft and manageable. Helps to maintain color vibrancy between salon visits. Has a pleasant, subtle scent that isn't overpowering. Number 2. Keratin Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Experience the transformative power of our Keratin Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Designed to bring life back to your locks, it's the ultimate solution for healthier looking hair. Our gentle formula is free from sulfates and parabens, ensuring a clean and nourishing cleanse. Protect your hair's natural beauty without harsh chemicals. Achieve salon-quality results at home with our thickening treatment. It works to add volume and body, making your hair appear fuller and more luxurious. Whether your hair is dry, damaged, curly, frizzy, straight, or color-treated, this set is perfect for you. It addresses a wide range of hair concerns effectively. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to smooth, manageable hair. Our advanced anti-frizz formula keeps your strands sleek and polished all day long. Suitable for everyone, this set is designed for both women and men. Enjoy the benefits of beautifully revitalized hair, no matter your gender. What we like. This set offers a salon-quality thickening treatment for all hair types. If you struggle with frizz or desire fuller-looking hair, this is a fantastic choice. It's suitable for both men and women with various hair textures, including color-treated hair. What people say. Leaves hair feeling soft and manageable. Helps to maintain color vibrancy between salon visits. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering. Number 1. Biosilk Color Therapy Cool Blonde Shampoo. Discover the secret to vibrant, cool blonde hair. This shampoo is specially formulated to protect and enhance your lightened locks. Say goodbye to unwanted brassy tones. It works to gently balance your hair color, keeping it looking fresh and bright. Experience a gentle cleanse that cares for your hair. It's free from sulfates, parabens, and is cruelty-free, so you can feel good about using it. Whether your hair is highlighted or lightened, this shampoo is designed for you. It helps maintain the integrity and beauty of your color-treated hair. Achieve salon-worthy blonde results from the comfort of your home. Enjoy beautifully toned and healthy-looking hair with every wash. This generous 12-ounce bottle ensures you have plenty of product to keep your cool blonde looking its best. What we like. This shampoo is specifically formulated to combat brassy tones in highlighted and lightened hair. If you have blonde, platinum, or balayage hair and want to maintain a cool, balanced shade, this is the product for you. It's essential for anyone looking to preserve their cool blonde or silver tones between salon visits. What people say. This shampoo is great for color-treated hair. It leaves my hair feeling soft and looking shiny. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.